Hello, welcome to our page once again. We are going to be doing this very short video to show you how to confirm your O level on Jamb, whether you uploaded your waec result, your NECO result, your NAPTEC, whatever O level. This video is for you. Maybe you've uploaded and you want to confirm on your own whether the O level was properly done. You understand? Or you've done it before, you did it at the point of Jamb registration, and you're not sure whether Jamb operators really uploaded it or not. So you want to confirm. So this video is for you. This video is for you. I'll be doing this short video to show you how to confirm your O level on Jamb. So you will Google step one. You will Google Jamb e-facility. Jamb e-facility login. If you check the description of this video, I've sent the link, sent how to reset your password and all that. So once you Google Jamb e-facility, you enter your email and your password, the one you used on Jamb registration, the one you wrote on the form when you did your Jamb registration. In case you don't know your password again, you can simply click on forgot password. That's on that Jamb e-facility. Just click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, you enter that email address. That will send you your new password. That will send it direct, your new password direct to that email address. But in case you don't have access to the email address again, you understand, maybe you don't have access to the email address again, you can use the second method to reset your password. That's using SMS. I'll be dropping the details under this video. Check the description under this video. I will show you how to reset your password either using SMS with a Jamb linked phone number. You get the point? So once you've successfully logged in, this is the first page you will see. Once you get to this page, you just click on check admission status. Click on check admission status. Then the page below. Then depending on the exam year, maybe now we are in 2023. We are working with Jamb 2023. Maybe you registered for Jamb 2022 last year, and so you click on Jamb 2022. And mind you that the O level you uploaded the previous year has no business with the new year. If you uploaded your O level in Jan 2022, when it comes to Jamb 2023, you have to upload it again. So you understand? So don't feel that I've done the uploading last year, I won't do it again this year. You must have to do it the new year. So now, if you want to confirm for Jamb 2023, you click on Jamb 2023. If you want to confirm for 2022, you click on 2022, depending on the year you want to confirm. But for this video, we'll be going with Jamb 2023. You just click on Jamb 2023, then allow the page to load. So when the page loads, then Jamb 2023, then you click on access my caps. That's the first option there. So once you get to this point now, by the right hand, you will see many options like my profile, my choices, my O level, my admission status, marketplace, transfer approval. So for this video, we'll be checking first with my O level. Once you get to this point, you just click on my O level. Your O level will pop up. But once you get to this point and there is no O level, you will see no O level uploaded, or you will see awaiting result, awaiting result, awaiting result. You understand? So once you get to the point, you will just click on refresh. You just click on refresh. If there's an O level there, the O level will show. Thank you.